Imagine standing at the edge of an era where the limits of human knowledge and existence are shattered by the relentless rise of artificial intelligence. The year is 2040, and AI has become much more than just a tool. It's a force shaping the future of humanity. But what does that future hold? Will humans continue to dominate the Earth? Or will AI usher in a new era where our species is left behind, replaced by something far beyond what we understand? As Yuval Noah Harari predicted, the future of humanity is uncertain. In 300 years, human beings will likely not be the dominant force on Earth. In fact, we may not even exist as we know ourselves today. The future, according to Harari, is one where Homo sapiens will either destroy themselves or evolve into something entirely different, something engineered by the very technologies we are developing today. By 2070, AI will have reshaped the world in unbelievable ways. It will be the beginning of a new era, but not necessarily one defined by dystopia. While pollution and ecological collapse will threaten human civilization, AI will not just predict destruction, it will also see the potential for transformation. It will urge us to think beyond survival and to imagine a future where humanity can evolve. The concept of evolution itself is set to change dramatically. AI, with its vast computational power and capabilities, will enable us to upgrade ourselves, or perhaps even create entirely new life forms. As Harari explains, the beings that will dominate the Earth in 300 years will be far more different from us than we are from Neanderthals. Bioengineering, artificial intelligence, and machine learning will play crucial roles in these changes, leading to the rise of post-human entities that may take over from Homo sapiens. But before we dive into the distant future, let's take a step back to understand the choices that will shape our path over the next 100 years. The year 2100 marks a very important moment for humanity. Faced with the growing dangers of ecological destruction, AI suggests a bold move: the retreat. Plant and animal life have suffered enough from our overconsumption. Issues like desertification can't be handled by simple laws that many of us won't even follow. Action needs to be taken on a large scale. Humanity withdraws from the surface of the Earth, not in defeat, but in anticipation. For 50 years, we step back, giving the planet time to heal itself from the damage caused by centuries of industrialization and unsustainable growth. Where will we be while all this is happening? It's hard to say, but I'd like to think of Mars as an option. While the Mars colonization project is still ongoing, AI predicts that our dreams of a new planet to inhabit aside from Earth should come true by the mid-22nd century. That's a bit far, but what if we could speed things up? During the retreat, Mars would be just the right place to wait for the next 50 years while the Earth heals itself. During this time, nature begins to reclaim the cities, forests grow back, and rivers run clean. But even as humans retreat, AI continues to evolve. It learns, it innovates, and it prepares for the return, the moment when humanity will once again step onto the surface of the Earth. Let's take another 100-year leap. The year is 2200, and what humanity finds upon its return is nothing short of miraculous. The planet has healed, and with AI's guidance, we now possess technologies that allow us to live in harmony with nature. We no longer build in the traditional sense, we cultivate. AI introduces us to transbiotonics, a groundbreaking fusion of technology and nature. We've seen a lot of this in sci-fi movies, but AI says it's possible with the right technology and knowledge. Our cities will grow like forests, live and breathing, coexisting with the natural world. This vision of the future isn't about towering skyscrapers of steel and glass. Instead, it's about organic, living structures that adapt and evolve with the environment. It's a future where technology is inspired by nature, not imposed upon it. AI doesn't just predict this transformation, it facilitates it, guiding humanity through the process of creating a new kind of society, a Type 1 civilization. If you've made it this far, that's a good sign. It means you're just as curious about the future as we are, so why not take the next step? Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment sharing your thoughts on how AI could help shape our world. As AI continues to evolve, we must ask ourselves, what will it mean to be human in this new era? According to Harari, the distinction between intelligence and consciousness is crucial. While AI will become far more intelligent than humans, no reason to believe it will develop consciousness. We truly hope that never happens, because the creation of an all-powerful sentient being on the planet might lead to outcomes we never expected. Nevertheless, we need to understand that intelligence is about solving problems, consciousness is about feeling, and for humans, emotions and sensations are integral to how we solve problems. AI won't be so considerate while taking action and dealing with the planet's issues. Interestingly, AI may not require consciousness to surpass us. Harari says the biggest advantage of AI is its ability to cooperate and communicate across vast networks. Imagine self-driving cars. One car is intelligent, but when all self-driving cars are connected, they form a single vast network. No single human is capable of that. We can try to work together, but our work will never be as coordinated as AI's. The same is true for AI doctors. Instead of millions of individual doctors, there could be a global network of AI physicians that share information instantly, providing medical care far beyond what human doctors can achieve. This level of cooperation is what makes AI so powerful. Unfortunately, with many of our jobs being taken over by AI, it makes you wonder what we'll do with ourselves in the long run. AI proposed a solution, saying that there could be widespread adoption of Universal Basic Income (UBI) to ensure financial security for all. This will lead to a shift in how we view work, leisure, and purpose in life. By 2250, humanity has entered a new phase, the recreation. AI introduces biomimetic 4D printing, a technology that allows us to design and grow architecture from living matter. Our homes, our streets, our cities, they all pulse with life. We live in harmony with the natural world. Technology becomes an extension of the ecosystem rather than a disruption. By 2400, we approach the restart, the moment when the line between the digital and physical worlds disappear. The singularity has arrived. Humanity is no longer limited by biological constraints. We can upload our consciousness, not to escape, but to explore new dimensions of existence. We become something greater, transcending the boundaries of life as we once knew it. Imagine being able to live forever, never have to leave the people we love. Harari warns that while this future may seem distant, it's crucial to understand the trajectory we are on today. AI's rapid development raises serious questions about the future of human civilization. What will motivate superintelligent AI if it has no emotions or biological needs? Will it develop goals and desires of its own? And how will humanity adapt to a world where machines are more intelligent, more cooperative, and more capable than we are? One thing is clear. In 300 years, humans will not be the dominant life form on Earth. Whether we evolve into something new or create beings that surpass us, the future of humanity will be defined by our relationship with AI and the technologies we create. Harari sees the potential for AI to guide us toward a more sustainable future, but he also recognizes the risks of creating technologies that could outstrip our control. The real question, Harari says, is not whether AI will develop consciousness, but what kind of world will we build when intelligence surpasses our own? Will we use AI to create a world where humanity thrives in harmony with nature? Or will we become obsolete, replaced by the very machines we built? Let us know what you think in the comments below. While you're here, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.